upside-down coffee cake recipe, a delicious twist on a classic. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a mouthwatering treat in store for you, upside-down coffee cake. It's a delightful twist on the classic coffee cake that will leave you craving for more. So, let's get started. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Ingredients. For the topping. 1/2 cup, 1 stick, unsalted butter. 1 cup packed light brown sugar. 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon. 1 cup chopped pecans, or walnuts. For the cake batter. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup, 1 stick, unsalted butter, softened. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 cup sour cream, or Greek yogurt. For the coffee glaze. 1 cup powdered sugar. 2 tablespoons brewed coffee, strongly brewed. Instructions. Prepare the topping. In a saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the brown sugar and ground cinnamon, stirring until the sugar is completely dissolved. Stir in the chopped pecans and let the mixture simmer for about 2 minutes. Pour the topping into a greased 9-inch round cake pan, spreading it evenly. Preheat and preparing the cake batter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Cream the butter and sugar. In a separate large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Add eggs and vanilla. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, and then add the vanilla extract, mixing until well combined. Alternate dry ingredients and sour cream. Gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the butter-sugar mixture, alternating with the sour cream, or Greek yogurt. Start and end with the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Assembling the cake. Carefully spread the cake batter over the topping in the cake pan, making sure it's evenly distributed. Bake and flip. Bake the cake in the preheated oven for about 40–45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once the cake is baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes. Place a plate over the cake pan and quickly flip the cake onto the plate. The topping will now be on top. Prepare the coffee glaze. In a small bowl, mix together the powdered sugar and brewed coffee until you get a smooth glaze. Drizzle the glaze. Generously drizzle the coffee glaze over the warm cake, allowing it to soak in. Serve and enjoy. Now, your upside-down coffee cake is ready to be served. It's perfect for breakfast, dessert, or as a sweet treat with your afternoon coffee. Thanks for joining us today to learn how to make this amazing upside-down coffee cake. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time.
Introducing the Happy Christmas Trees mug, the perfect way to add festive cheer to your morning routine. With its vibrant purple background and charming pink trees, this mug is sure to bring a smile to your face. The star on top of the tree adds a touch of magic to your cup of coffee or tea. Made from high-quality ceramic, it's both durable and dishwasher safe. Start your day off right with this delightful mug and embrace the joy of the holiday season.